What's up, Internet? I'm Ryan, and today I'm unboxing the new Apple MacBook Pro. I know if you're as excited as I am to see this thing, then you want to jump right into it, so let's go. Alright, so I got the MacBook Pro here. I also got a couple of USB-C adapters. I got 3 of them because they only have USB-C ports here. I need USB. I also got this Ethernet adapter, Ethernet to USB-C. Now, this is a Belkin, and that's what Apple sent directly from their website. I got this, so I think they're just an Apple partner. Just to start, looks like they give you a nice little thing you can pull up. Alright, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Opens up perfectly. Look at that. Oh man, so excited. So here's the specs. This is maxed out besides the SSD. I did get the 4 terabyte SSD instead of the 8 because the price difference was just a little too much for me. All right, plastic is off. Here we go. Moment of truth. All right, this is the classic MacBook Pro experience right here. Nothing's changed here. Pull the tab, pull it up. Nice, a little boxy. It's kind of like a square almost. It reminds me of the older versions, like the 2010s or so. It's kind of like a square, which I don't mind at all. So what do we got in here? We have the upgraded MagSafe charger. Love it, love it. And of course the brick. Can't forget the brick. Now, I did make the mistake in my last MacBook getting an off-brand brick. Pretty sure it messed up my battery, man. You always want to get these straight from Apple because, yeah, you need to make sure it's the exact one. Even if it is the correct wattage, you can still mess up your battery, which is just pretty annoying fix. Now, this one doesn't have the clip that my other MacBook does, the clip that clips this on. That's okay, though. But I do like that this comes off. I think this will save on some wear and tear, because I have had issues with this wire actually ripping in the past. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have to charge this. They don't ship batteries. They don't ship lithium-ion batteries fully charged because they can explode. But let's see how much battery it has. I'm sure it's enough. Here we go, moment of truth. Nice. All right, automatically powered on. Love to see it. As soon as you open it, power's on. Beautiful. Oh, hello to you too. Accessibility features. Adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up and further customize them later in system preferences. See what's available in each of the categories below. Not now. Gonna jump on my Wi-Fi. Gonna blur this part out. Okay, just connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, I am not going to do this. No migration. Yeah, the keyboard definitely is a little loud. I was in a situation a couple days ago where I had to type quietly. I could do that on my old MacBook Pro 2015, but this one, I don't know if I can do that. All right, just finishing up the setting up of my account. All right, find my MacBook. Yes, I will definitely set that up. It imports all of my settings. Firewall disk encryption. All right, sounds good. Touch ID, gonna set that up. Touch ID is ready. Love it, love to see it. Gonna add all my fingers later. Really have to add a pay right now? I'm gonna set up Apple Pay later. We are back in business, baby. Calendar, okay. All right, so we have just finished the setup process and here we are with the new MacBook. So it looks like, yeah, here we are, 16-inch, 2021. Yeah, we got the Apple M1 Max, 64 gig. We got the good old-fashioned Retina XDR display. Looks like it's about 4K or so. 4 terabytes of space. Man, love it. Love it. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the new Apple MacBook Pro. I want to thank today's unofficial sponsor, Ethereum name service, ENS token. They airdropped me a bunch of tokens, and I used a lot of them to pay off this MacBook earlier than expected. So thank you guys so much. If you guys want to support this channel, you can send Ethereum to my ETH address. It's FlossTe.eth. That's FOLSSTE.ETH. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like for the good old YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing for more tech unboxing as well as any other things I want to post. That's all for today. Stay well.